Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you the new Cricut products that are coming out soon. We've got some great things to show you. First off, we've got flocked iron-on vinyl. Absolutely love this product, it's so great. We've got it in blue, white and black. Now for those that don't know what flocked is, it's a vinyl that has a velvet touch to it, so it feels like velvet, and it's absolutely gorgeous on products. Now they each come in a 12 by 19 inch roll. You've got your carrier sheet on the shiny side, so you're cutting it on the dull side, shiny side down for this one. And yes, your images and your text will need to be mirrored. It's not a smart material, so it needs to be used on a mat, and it can be used with all your Cricut presses, even the mini. There's no trial and error with these products. They've all been tested with Cricut machines, so they'll work seamlessly with them. It's very easy to weed, long lasting, and it's just got such a beautiful soft texture to it. Really, really, really nice. And you'll notice this nice easy opening and easy closing packaging. With specialty iron-ons and things, I definitely recommend that you keep it in the packaging just so you don't get them mixed up with other vinyls. You've got, you can put it on cotton, polyester, blends, canvas, and a whole lot more. As with all iron-ons, just leave it 24 hours to cure before you wash it, and do a cold wash and a low heat tumble dry, and definitely no bleach. Absolutely gorgeous product, this one. Next up, we've got the Puff iron-on vinyl, and this is a real crowd favorite. It's fabulous iron-on, adds extra dimension and puffs up instead of being the flat usual sort of vinyl. It comes in black, white and red, and it comes in your same 12 by 19 inch roll. Now this one's quite different than usual vinyls. So your shiny side's normally your carrier, but on the Puff vinyl, the shiny side is actually the side you're going to be cutting on, and the dull matte side is the one that your carrier sheet is on. So if you're ever worried about your vinyls and which way it's supposed to go up, just get your weeding tool and do the corner. Oops, if I can do it. And you can see there that the carrier side is there and the vinyl side's there. So if you're ever unsure, just do that. And you can always just place it back. So dull side for Puff is your carrier, and your shiny is your cutting side. Now the roll is $24.95. It isn't a smart material because it's only 12 inches wide, so you must use it with a mat. You can cut it with all your machines, and it works with all presses. Now the main thing with Puff is that the more pressure you get equals more puff. So more pressure, more puff. Now they do say that the mini will give you less pressure, so will give you a little bit of a less puff. But I did a test, and I've got the easy press, the large easy press here, and it gave a lovely puff. I don't know if you can see that in the video. And then on the mini, I did an M for a mini, and that has given just the same, if not even actually a better puff. So I was quite impressed with that. So I would say all of them, just make sure that when you have your pattern of your the base of your mini press, is that your design is no bigger, or parts of your design. It's a fabulous vinyl, and it works absolutely gorgeous on t-shirts and sweatshirts. And when you're washing it, again, cure it for 24 hours and then wash and dry inside out, and with a cold cycle, low heat tumble dry. Next up, we have the Shimmer Smart Vinyl. Now, if you're not familiar with shimmer, it's a glitter consistency effect, but without that really horrid. It's nice and smooth, so no scratchy ouchies. It's very durable and won't flake off. And you've got a beautiful 13-inch by 36-inch roll. Now, in the middle, it also comes with a roll of Cricut Strong Grip transfer tape. And if you're not familiar with the transfer tapes, don't throw it out once you've used it. Put it back on its backing and reuse it over and over again. Now, this roll is $24.95 per packet, and it's suitable for all machines, but as being a smart vinyl, it's 13 inches wide, so it can be used in the Explore and Maker machines models 3 and 4 without a mat. For all other machines, you'll have to cut it down and pop it on a mat to cut it. This is a little Christmas project I made with the 3D letters from Design Space using the rainbow shimmer vinyl. It's just so attractive, so bright, colourful, shimmery in the day, and really colourful and sparkly at night. Use it like standard vinyl, great for drink bottles, signs, car decals, anything else where you want a project with lots of colour and punch. I've used the red puff vinyl and white flock vinyl on the sweatshirt. It came out so good. I really, really love it. I was so impressed with really how easy it was to use the Cricut press with the puff. Super easy, and just watching the puff lift up and turn into a 3D effect as soon as you get the press off was really quite cool. Which one is your favourite? Pop your choice or your choices in the comments. I'd love to know which ones you'd like to use first. Australia was lucky enough to have theirs in store today, but we won't be far away, so don't worry. I'll post in the group as soon as we have a date so you can get your hands on these awesome products. Thanks for watching.